Every now and then, Wall Street gives gifts. Back in 2022, it was Meta. It went all the way down to $85. They gave Nvidia back in those days. They also gave Palantir. I think Palantir was like $8 back in 2023. SoFi was down to $4. All these stocks they were given as gifts. And right now, in 2026, there's so many gifts that Wall Street is giving you. We got to go through some of these stocks that Wall Street are giving us for 2026. Great long-term growth stocks, gifts. If you invest right now, you can catch that 30% that's down and even more. These are the stocks that we need to talk about in today's video. You got to take advantage of these gifts, basically. You know, Microsoft is down 38%. Microsoft is a blue chip tech company. They have AI just like Google, just like Apple, just like Broadcom and Nvidia. They're building data centers. They have the cloud. They got all the services and their enterprise, meaning they are in everybody's business. It's a very good long-term stock, and Wall Street is giving it to you. They're giving it to you 38% down. Take advantage of it. Look at it. Do your research. This may be a stock you want to put in your portfolio. They're also giving you Celsius. Celsius down 38%. SoFi is down 38%. They're giving you ELF. They're also giving you Netflix. Netflix, man. Netflix is a great long-term stock. How many people out there right now, including yourself, is paying for your Netflix every month? Constantly paying it. You're not even paying attention to it. It comes out your check every single month. $10, $12, $20. You've been paying it for years. There's millions of people that are paying their Netflix bill, and they're not even paying attention to it. It has become a utility, almost like an electric bill. Just like you pay your electric bill every month, you're paying your Netflix bill every month. This is consistent, reoccurring money that this company is getting, and the stock is down 38% year to date. It's at $68 right now. You can buy one stock of Netflix for $68. At its all-time high, it was at like $130, $140. This is going to be a $200 stock in the next couple years. Take advantage of this Wall Street gift that they're giving you. They do it all the time. They basically sell what they don't like, right? And then they jump right back into it. That's just what Wall Street does. They do it with all these stocks. They did it with Google back last year. When Google was down, they were like, oh, Google search is not going to be good. They don't have AI. They don't have any AI benefits, or they're lacking AI. And next thing you know, Google's at $300 something. It used to be like at $200 because Wall Street didn't like it. Now it's at $340. Microsoft is doing the same thing. They don't like Microsoft. They're not buying it. They don't like Netflix. They don't like Celsius right now. Another gift they're giving you Whirlpool at $38, and it pays a 6% dividend. They're giving you Nike. Nike's at $48. I don't care what you guys say. Even you guys out there right now that are wearing New Balance or Hoka's or On, you will go back to Nike eventually. And if you don't, there's billions of people that will. And I mean billions, because China is going to go back to Nike. When Nike get their act together, this stock was at $160 one time. It's at $48, and they pay a dividend. Nike's not going nowhere. Nowhere. It's a great long-term gift that Wall Street is giving you right now. It may go down to $40, but it ain't going below $40. Take advantage of this stock. Put it in your portfolio. Do some research. Buy a couple shares. See the growth. In the next couple of years, this stock is going to go to $200. Same thing with Whirlpool, housing stocks, or the housing industry is down because the interest rates are too high. When these interest rates go down, eventually they will, people are going to start buying houses again. And when they start buying houses again, they're going to buy Whirlpool products to put in those houses. Home Depot is going to go back up. Home Depot is down for the year. Lowe's is down for the year. These stocks, when people start buying housing, right? When these apartment buildings start being built, they buy Whirlpool products and they get their products from Home Depot. These are the stocks you want to take advantage of. A lot of people, what's going on right now, they're buying AI stocks because they follow the crowd. They follow all the crowd with the memory stocks. But even if some of these memory stocks got hit, these are gifts, and Wall Street continuously do this. And that's why I preach buy the dips, right? Because if you look at a trajectory of a chart all the way up, there's dips in between. But if you have bought on those dips, you have gained money. ServiceNow, CRM, Salesforce, some of these software stocks have been hit crazy, like 40, 50%. Intuit is not going anywhere. It does the TurboTax. It does your taxes for you. It has Credit Karma. This is a very good long-term stock, man. These are stocks that you could take advantage of. Buy right now while they're cheap. There's tons of them. I can probably name like 100 stocks right now that are down 30% that are gifts that Wall Street are giving you. I didn't pay attention to some of these gifts back in 2022 and 2023 and last year. I didn't take advantage of some of these stocks. This year, I'm doing it. I'm buying Celsius. I'm buying SoFi. I already have ELF, and I'm continuously buying Microsoft and Nike. I want these stocks in my portfolio, and I'm telling you, I'm giving you this list because you don't want to come back in 4 or 5 years from now saying, damn, I should have bought those stocks back in 2026. Buy some, do some research, put them in your portfolio. This is probably not financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. It's just more of a recommendation, but I'm giving you some gems, man. You might want to take advantage of it. Do your own research, but these may be some good stocks that you could possibly get rich of, especially SoFi and Celsius. You keep those for 20 years. You buy like 1,000 of those shares, you're good. You're going to be good for 20 years. You buy those. Nike's a great long-term stock. Whirlpool's a dividend stock. Microsoft is a tech stock. I'm trying to just give you a whole bunch of things. Even Uber. Uber is a gift. Uber is down, I think, 8% for the year, 11% down for the year. It's at $72. That's a great long-term stock. It's a growth stock. Uber is not going anywhere. Every time you go to an airport and you need a ride, first person you're calling is Uber, right? You want Uber Eats, you're calling Uber Eats. You know what I'm saying? So with some of these stocks, these growth stocks, some of these gifts that Wall Street are giving you, you have to take advantage of, right? Buy a couple shares. Maybe don't put all your money into one stock right now. Buy a diverse portfolio, right? If you don't want to do that, obviously I always teach buy ETFs. But right now I'm talking about individual gifts that Wall Street are giving you. Take advantage of it. They're going to go up like 30% in the next couple of years. If you buy them right now, and I've said this before about ELF, I had preached ELF. And if you had bought ELF when I told you to buy ELF, you could have gained 20, 30% since the time when I told you to buy ELF. I'm giving you these gems. Take advantage of it. Do your own research. Again, use ChatGPT, but look at them. Put them in your portfolio. They may be great gifts. And take advantage of these presents that Wall Street are giving you. They do it all the time. Sometimes Wall Street just go away from stocks and they get back into these stocks. And I'm telling you, after the summertime, the stock market is going to probably go down a little bit more. A little 5% correction, maybe even more than that. You take advantage of it. Buy some now and buy some then. By the time December comes, the stock market is going right back to 7,500 or 8,000, right, on the S&P 500. So take advantage of these stocks, man. They are gifts that Wall Street are giving you. In the meantime, stay focused on your money and your bread and keep your econ 100, man. You already know.